If JavaScript already makes sense, TypeScript is not a second universe. Start with the code you already know. Then add a checker that reads it before runtime. That checker notices shapes, promises, and impossible calls. The editor uses that knowledge while you type. And after all that, the thing that runs is still plain JavaScript. Here is the bug in one tiny call. The first value is a string. The second is a number. JavaScript accepts both and sends them into plus. Then plus quietly gives back string 102. Now put a type checker between the call and runtime. Price says number, tax says number, so the string never reaches the function. The syntax is small, a colon then a type. Price gets a contract, tax gets 12, and the type after the parentheses is what comes back. The call reads like a promise now, 2 numbers in, 1 number out. Beginners often overtype everything. You do not need to. Make an object with real values. Ada tells the checker, this field is a string. True tells it, this one is a Boolean. So later, user.name already knows string methods. The type follows the value. Less typing, more help. For objects, TypeScript thinks in shapes. A type gives that shape a reusable name. A user might have a name and a plan. Now any function can ask for that shape by name. And the editor can offer the fields that shape contains. The type is documentation the computer can check. Types can also wrap other types. Number square brackets means an array where every item is a number. Pull one item out and it is still known as a number. A user can be wrapped too. Promise of user means, not here yet, but when it arrives, it has the user shape. Sometimes a value is honestly more than one thing. This ID can be a string or a number. A normal JavaScript check narrows it down. Inside the string path, string methods are safe. Outside that branch, only the number path is left. The union tells the truth. The check decides the path. One mental model saves a lot of confusion. Types do not run. You write TypeScript with annotations in the source. The checker reads those annotations while you work. Then compile strips the annotations away. The browser receives plain JavaScript. The safety was catching the mistake early, not adding a runtime trick. Do not convert the whole project in one heroic weekend. Install the checker. Create the config. Rename one real JavaScript file to TypeScript. Run the checker and fix the red lines that teach you something. Strict mode can come later. The first win is making the feedback loop visible. So the beginner model is small. TypeScript is JavaScript plus a checker. It names the shapes moving through your app. Inference carries the boring parts. And the result that ships is still JavaScript. If JavaScript already makes sense, you are ready to start.